KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital's KD Pro 2x1 and KD Pro 4x1 are 2 input, 1 output, and 4 input, 1 output professional HDMI switchers, ideal for presentation applications such as classrooms and conference rooms. The units support HDCP 2.2 and HDMI signals with 4K and HDR up to 18 gigabits per second bandwidth. The unit supports EDID control, where the integrator has the option of 16 different digital handshake files that can be provided to each connected source, ensuring it outputs the desired resolution and audio formatting. The units are controllable via IR, RS-232, push buttons, and TCP/IP. And since they are TCP/IP controllable, they are able to be detected in the free KeyDigital app, where you can have a pre-built GUI for controlling the device, perfect for user-friendly applications. The units also have audio de-embedding on analog and digital audio connections, so that the selected video source audio can be provided to connected amplifiers and audio systems. For more information, go to the owner's manual on each product to learn how to set up and configure, making KD Pro 2x1 and KD Pro 4x1 perfect for your presentation solutions.